There's definitely a lot more people entering the future space as far as retail is concerned. We've seen an absolute explosion over the last year, which has been amazing. I think that's predominantly because people have several different ways to engage in the markets. Increasingly, there are more ways to practice. So there's simulated trading products out there. They can trade with our competition called Arena, where they compete against other traders. There's these prop offerings that are out there. So a lot of ways to learn and practice to get better and ultimately graduate to the live markets.
How is NinjaTrader Prop meeting the needs of traders?
We at NinjaTrader recently launched NinjaTrader Prop and Tradeovate Prop. That is ultimately designed to meet the evolving needs of the trader by doing a couple of things. One is we have several different risk management tools that are available. You know, as you can imagine with these prop firms, they have different risk rules that are associated with challenges to ensure that you can get to the next level. And ultimately, we've created and pulled in some of these risk management rules into our platform so that you can manage those on the fly. Things like liquidating the position if it's hit a certain risk level or a certain stop level, things like that. That really helps kind of safeguard yourself during the trading experience. As well as we're providing people with education, you know, one, connecting them with other really like influential, successful traders and giving them guidance on and insights into different trading techniques and styles that they could potentially emulate and explore. And in addition to the education on how to kind of consider what types of trades to make, also education around, you know, what is it like to participate with these different prop firms and how to go through the kind of practice run and ultimately make your way through to payouts.
How has the NinjaTrader platform changed over the years? 15
plus years ago, it was predominantly a desktop trading platform experience. Now we have desktop, web, and mobile. We've recently redesigned our mobile experience, and this is really important because, you know, the average trader, which used to be on our platform about 48 years old, has dropped to 38 on average over the last 5 years. You know, those traders are increasingly expecting mobile-first experiences. In addition to all of the great kind of active trader tools that we offer, you know, think of things like the Dome and other features that, you know, or the ladder, the price ladder, which are important ways of trading. You know, chart trading is also very important, so the ability to layer on indicators and, you know, build your own custom strategies. We offer market replay and, you know, a variety of other tools. And like I said before, you know, increasingly we're offering more tools to help you do things like manage your risk.
How has Kraken acquiring you affected the firm?
NinjaTrader was acquired by Kraken in March of this year, and it's been a really amazing partnership. Kraken leadership and the entire company itself is very innovative. That's a really great combination with our company. I've always found that we're really trying to be cutting edge and trying to do everything we can to help the trader. Ultimately, as a result of the partnership, it's, you know, the largest traditional finance and DeFi partnership of any of its kind. And so lots of things have happened as a result of that. We now have on the Kraken platform all of our futures products made available for US traders, and, you know, that partnership will continue to see more of our offerings shared amongst each other. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we want to be able to give traders the ability to trade futures and crypto, you know, all in one single place.
What does the pro tail trader look like at NinjaTrader?
They're increasingly looking for trading opportunities where they have very quick market access and very precise ability to place orders. They can definitely get that on our platforms. Our desktop trading platform itself is definitely a differentiator in the market. The amount of flexibility that you have around the ability to create your own custom strategies and indicators with extremely fast market access, market data access, is something that you get through our platforms. We find that these more professional traders definitely trade at a higher volume. You know, their daily average volume is much higher, and you know, they'll be placing trades which certainly across several different segments. You know, they can take positions or they can be, you know, hedging in nature.